Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? This is live price predication of Zilliqa. So please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all videos notification. I updating you any hour, any good news or any bad news. So this is live price predication of last 1 hour. You check here the change, the highest change of last 1 hour result is plus 0.24%. This is absolutely going good result. I think this is just buying time. This is absolutely going good. And if we check it out, the last highest change, this is absolutely good highest change, 0.16 and 84 US dollars. This is absolutely good change. Okay, so let's check it out, the last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result is absolutely going good. So you just subscribe button, okay, for latest update. I updating you any hour, okay, any good news or bad news. Okay, the last 2 hour result absolutely good. So this is the change of plus 0.18%. Absolutely good, not bad. But if we check it out, the last 4 hour result of Zilliqa, so let's check it out, the last 4 hour result absolutely going good. I think today is a day of Zilliqa because this is going good. This is very highest and good changes you see here, and I hope today they easily cross 0.5 US dollar. Easily they cross it. So Zilliqa holders, congratulations, today is a very good day, and I think today is a selling time. So any Zilliqa holders, I suggest you, because I am also a Zilliqa holder. So for communication, just comment is okay. Thanks for watching. For new updates, just subscribe button, click the subscribe button. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.